This is a significant milestone for CDB and for DFC. As was said in the presentations, this is the third line of credit that DFC is getting in the past 2 years. How do we decide what we need? Well, we have a pipeline, right? We have people and businesses coming to us, seeing the kind of opportunities they need. And so we sit with CDB and then we construct a consolidated line. The reason we call it consolidated is because of the different parts that it has, right? In this case, portion 18 of the 40 million goes to private sector in form of MSMEs, which means firms up to 30 million Belizean sales. 9 million goes to mortgage lending, homes, financing homes. 9 million goes for student loans for tertiary education, and 4 million for renewable energy and energy efficiency. So we have those. Basically, we intend to implement this loan in about 2 years in terms of disbursement, or maybe a little bit over that. But the economy is performing, and when the economy is performing, the demand is there.
At one time, you think it's only the commercial banks you can go to, but because they have the funding, now small businesses can come to the DFC to get low interest rates. Women, you have different special programs designed for women. They can come to the DFC. Students, DFC is probably the only institution that have special loans for students. I remember helping a young man earlier this year, well, last month actually, in January, who is studying in Barbados. And what the bank does is that they have a loan. Of course, they have to have a sponsor. They pay only the interest whilst they're studying. And then when they come back, then they pay the interest and the capital. These programs create real opportunities for people